Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to add Google search on the home screen on Realme C67 device. Okay, certainly by adding a Google search widget to the home screen, offers user quick access to search capabilities and various features. Okay, and then how to do that? Let's go to the tutorial. The first thing you have to do is please don't press on any screen on your device. Okay, after that, here you can select widget option. Okay, and then please scroll down until you find Google menu. Okay, and then here you can click the down arrow. After that, you can scroll a little bit, and then here you will find this option. And then you can drag and drop it to the home screen. Okay, and then the Google search is successfully added to the home screen on your device. Well, that's the tutorial on how to add Google search on the home screen on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.